try the raw breadfruit with raw honey and nutmeg.
Yeah, man, cook it, man.
And then go deal with your woman.
Sure, you're not going to eat too much.
So I eat the breadfruit raw. Buy a piece of it.
Roast already?
No, raw. What you mean no? Cause you never know.
My piece have got a son.
Raw.
You can't eat raw, but
Raw, me say.
son. I put your son.
Raw, me say. When you see palm tree I grow, you don't eat orange raw.
Me eat banana raw. So banana green,
Alright.
me eat it. But breadfruit, me don't like it skin in my mouth.
Raw.
Skin in my mouth.
Pineapple you eat.
Pineapple?
Raw.
It's all up in my mouth. Me eat it too.
What else you eat raw?
What about something, man?
Pear you eat raw.
Yeah, man. My man crave milk cream, man. Them boys say me
What's the
milk
difference with breadfruit then?
cream. Steamy.
What fruit is like breadfruit? Jackfruit, no, they like breadfruit.
Yeah, but that should have to be very ripe for me to eat it too.
So the breadfruit ripe.
Buy me, no? Buy me.
Raw.
It's steamy, like cute.
Sure, so you can't eat raw.
Yeah, what I tell you, everybody. You must have
Okra, raw.
Yeah, man. All food
So bite the
raw.
breadfruit.
No, it's really hard. And a piece of got son. Tell us that you mash me.
What you mean, Mama Shop?
No, me I do
If you
it
blend that in the juicer with ginger and honey, right? Put a dragon in there. Go back to your woman.
Still like.
This here, sir, your super strength raw. Try half a breadfruit one day in our blender and see what you do to your woman.
Yeah, man, keep it.
But you have to be man enough, you know. Donkey dash
A
way.
donkey feet apart.
Donkey dash way heart. It's called donkey trunk. You have to be like a donkey man. Donkey trunk, you know.
Yeah, man. It's hard.
Come on, Nick, bite the breadfruit.
No, daddy, man.
I believe so only that one good life, you know.
Lock the door.
He said that one day only man probably know. He's going to one. When you have it. What's that do to you? What's that do to you? It's like a big man, you know. The rain, when it's a rain hard, yeah, so.
I was rain and 5 star on the rain.
Sometimes he would have never said fires. So Kitana, you're gonna give man problem now. Why you not easy down? Why you so rough with man? Do you have a boyfriend?
Yes.
What him do? What him do for your living?
Chef.
He's a chef too?